Light bulbs might not be the very first thing that comes to mind if you consider devices that emit EMF, but this common household item generates a lot of EMF radiation. When you attempt to reduce EMF levels in your home, you will have to think about what bulbs you are using. Light bulbs produce EMF in several ways. Some brand new smart bulbs have Wi-Fi capability, adding more Wi-Fi-enabled devices in your home. That emits EMF radiation. Other smart bulbs utilize Bluetooth, which is every bit as harmful concerning radiation emissions. What are the safer light bulbs? The most recommended light bulbs to use from an EMF standpoint are incandescent light bulbs. They are designed to work with the wiring in most homes, meaning they produce little to no dirty electricity. And since they have no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capability, you're looking at little to no EMF production. Incandescent light bulbs tend to be cheaper. Minimizing your EMF exposure is so important. The most reliable option for you is to utilize incandescent bulbs. It would be difficult to reduce your home overall EMF level. But switching to incandescent bulbs is your first approach to radically lower your home's EMF radiation level.